You're savage.
Human? Oh, that's the Beatrice. Oh, that's the Beatrice humor.
Don't pop it though.
Okay, there goes. This is
Torres on the beat, boys.
no, I think she said we're dumping it over there like a watermelon. Like, cut it in the middle. I'm joking, I don't know.
You guys, this is
I have no idea how you're supposed to go.
open the Perdón.
Oh my goodness, this stinks too. I just brought it in.
Good, you're lucky.
It really stinks. This cornea is mad squished. It's like, look at this eye.
You want me to pull this? Oh, yeah.
Yo, I'm literally doing a video.
No, I don't have tweezers.
Hey girl, what is this? Cornea. I'm asking you.
Listen. So
You just gonna
this
touch
is the
it?
cornea. It's me.
Ugh. Like chop it off or go.
She's with no gloves.
Okay. So you can cut here.
Oh, I need to touch my phone, but I don't know
Here.
how.
Scalpel.
Careful when you're
Scalpel.
cutting.
I just want you to hand it to me.
Fingers away.
Okay.
Scalpel. Eye.
Can you?
Sheep
I
eye.
have
So
She got
hard.
the so you
So
Okay.
hard.
So this is the Beatrice body. See?
Oh,
This is the choroid. You remember choroid? It has color. And this is the retina.
no way. What the? I can't do this.
Imagine
It's on me. It's on my neck and my chest and my clothes. I'm gonna be stinking the whole day.
Okay, peel it off. Get it?
I need tissue. Is this tissue? What is this?
It's right in your Here, I would help you, but I, girl.
Here, I already got it anyway. What the?
Oh my god! Hey, Freddy Krueger.
Black stuff in it. Ugh.
Is this the lens? Oh, that's so cool.
That's the vitreous humor just flashed on me, right?
To look inside.
This is the That's the area.
Sam, you're savage.
Aqueous humor.
In this video.
Oh my god.
What is that? Is that the vitreous humor?
Oh, that's the Beatrice humor. Don't pop it though.
Okay.
Just pull it out.
Oh! Ah! You wanna grab it?
Yeah.
No, wait.
This.
That gooey thing is the
Vitreous humor.
Beatrice humor.
And that, what's the
lens.
ball?
Lens.
The lens.
Oh,
Remove
I
it.
thought it was like a concave type of thing.
Touch
It's
it.
a whole circle.
Oh my god, it's so hard.
Try to break it. It's very hard.
It's like a marble. This is so amazing. Cut it in the middle. Go.
Okay, you holding it? The last thing I'm trying to have is
It's
just
like a
things splash on me.
It's impossible. It's super hard. It's like
What the? I'm not shaking. This thing is just
body.
moving. Do y'all want it back?
No,
What is that in there?
Put it here. Just leave it. Play with it.
Okay, so
Stand with someone that is working.
Is this part
that's the lens. The marble ball in there. This liquid is the vitreous humor. That's the choroid right there. That's the retina.
Oh, yours is so good. Yeah.
Show it over
right
here. All these little lines is the ciliary body.
Okay, I think we're done with the right? Can we move on to
Brain.
Just slice it. Wait, let me see. Do you want to do it like
Longitudinal fissure.
up the feature? Yeah, do it in the fissure so we can like open it to the
Cerebellum.
side and not like without them.
Cerebrum. medulla oblongata, pons, temporal, occipital,
Oh, cool.
parietal,
We're supposed to cut it the other way. Is this what?
arbor vitae, pons right here, corpus callosum, third ventricle, I think the fourth right here.
Okay, this is the cerebellum. Okay, give me the part.
Fourth ventricle. Mid-stem, this whole thing. Or brainstem, this is the mid-stem. This is the pons, medulla oblongata. This is the cerebellum, the arbor vitae. Gyrus. Sulcus. The heart. The heart of a pig.
Lego. Thank you for your service.
I don't even know where to start. This is the inter.
Like mess up because the bag is so tight.
What is this?
This is what?
Interventricular sulcus.
Pig.
That was a fat pig.
It's a big pig.
This is a baby pig. I think this is the mom. The whole family over here. Mommy pig, baby pig. So sad.
Dripping.
So this is supposed to be close to a human heart. So right there. Oh, I know what this is for.
I heard
It's to go inside.
Like savage. That's
Oh,
what.
look at that. When they said the heart is on the left, no, it's in the middle, just slightly sticking to the left side. Like that. Right atrium, ventricle. Right, left atrium, and the left ventricle. Now, I don't want to cut it. It's like, if you just break the knife, the scapula is inside the heart. Look at that. It's in there. It broke. Show it. Show. Turn it. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. That's a tough muscle, isn't it?
It is. It's hard.
Look at them still struggling. Look like one piece of heart. Come see mine. So mine.
Are those the papillary muscles? The small ones are the
See? This is the left, and that's the right side. I cut it wrong. That's, how many hearts had to get wasted today?
Yeah, you know what's hard? It's like, you know the video when he did the transplant?
So wait, did you cut it by the middle? Which is the left and the right side?
This is the right.
Right side?
So she just said to leave it on the tray?
Oh. Look at all the oils you got. Is that oil?
I don't know.
Ew.
This is the cava. This is the aorta. You wanna put your finger in it?
What do? We take it?
Wow, where does it go? Let's see.
Left ventricles.
Oh yeah, so it goes in here. Oh, this is the coronary sinus. Coronary sinus, right there. Right atrium, right ventricle. Look how thick this is the left ventricle. Okay. Let's go. We're done now. This is trash.
Purchase your tracks today.